Hello guys, welcome to AM Unboxing. This is your host Hari and welcome to another unboxing and review video. So I hope you have liked all my previous videos and it is appreciated. Now we are an 88 member of AM Unboxing family. So thank you for all. Today we have a special product to unbox, which is this one. So this is the webcam from Logitech. The model number is C270 HD webcam. So this will be our today's unboxing product. So I hope you will be liking this product, and before jumping into the unboxing, please subscribe to my channel and like all my videos. That will motivate me to make great unboxing videos like this one. So let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, let's begin the unboxing. So first of all, before beginning the unboxing, I would like to ask Amazon again, please improve your product quality, guys. Product package quality. Look at the package, the way I have received, torn, tempered. This is not the packaging quality I have expected from Amazon. Please, I would like to ask everyone, please improve your packaging quality. So there is nothing much we can talk about the box. The webcam's logo is given over here, actual picture. The C270 HD webcam is written over here. It is from the Logitech company. Let's see in this side what's there written. So you can pause this video and you can read. The picture quality looks nice. So this side we have the C270 logo is given over here. It says HD 720p video calls. It has built-in noise reducing mic and some comparison is given over here. You can read it by pausing this video. Let's see this side. Some details are given over here. The price MRP, that is 2599 inclusive all taxes. And I'm not happy with this packaging. This is not expected from the seller as well as from Amazon. Now let's begin. Let's open it. So it is open from this side. We will open it. It has a 30 frame per second. It supports 30 fps video recording in 720p resolution. So this is an average beginner's webcam. So let's put this, okay, we will cut this from here. So I have braked it. Okay, let's see what we have got. Okay, let's throw the box. So this is the overall thing we have got. We have to throw this box as well. This is the webcam. Along with it we got the user manual. So it's 270. It's given the instruction manual. You can read it. Let me give you a closer look. This is how we have to set up. This is the user manual we have got. If you want, you can read it, but I will throw this. Now let's come to the webcam. So this is the actual webcam. Let's peel up the sticker. Let me give you the closer look. So this is the camera we have got. It has record 720p. The exact details I will give in the description. This is the mic. it says that it has a noise reduction or noise cancellation mic. This is the stand. So let me peel up this sticker. It has the USB cable. Cable's quality looks good in this price point of 2.5k. The cable quality is good, looks good. So let me open this. The cable quality looks good. The camera quality is also looks good. Let me open it. So this opens like this. You can place the webcam in this way if you want it separately, and if you want to mount it in the laptop or desktop screen also you can do that. The camera quality, the build quality looks decent to me. It has a weight. The Logi logo is given over here. It has a plastic finish. This side it has given matte finish look. This is given a glossy look. So that's it from this. Now we will be checking the actual performance, how this webcam actually performs. Let me mount it in my laptop and we will come back. Okay, so I have placed this should be placed like this. So you have to turn reverse it and you have to place it like this. This looks good to me. Now let's give it the power. Let's turn it on. Now we have to do setup of this. Let me do the setup and we will get back to you with the picture quality directly from the webcam itself. Now you can see me from the Logitech C270 webcam. I guess the picture quality looks appropriate or good as of now, and this is the overall interface which we have got after downloading and installing this software, of which I will give the link. Now this webcam has the built-in microphone with noise cancellation, so we have to check out how the mic is performing, and this is the overall interface you will get. So if you go to this advanced option, you can control a few other things. Now you will notice that there is no lights behind me, only one smart bulb which I am using, and as of now the overall quality looks good compared to my previous laptop's camera. So we have seen how the webcam is performing. Now quite few things I would like to tell, that as per the reviews I have seen in various other sites, they are saying that picture quality is amazing, but I haven't seen the picture quality is that much good as comparatively with other high-end webcams. But okay, as with the budget of 2.5k, it's performing good, and at least it's performing good, better than my default webcam which is there in my laptop. So and the second thing I would like to mention is that the quality is decent, not that up to the mark. Maybe in other models the quality may be better, but for this is not that much hi-fi. And the third thing is I would like to mention is the packaging. That's what I was saying from the beginning, that the packaging is not acceptable in that kind of thing. I haven't returned it, because the webcam is moderately performing well, so no point of returning it. That's it for this unboxing. I hope you will like my video. If you liked it, then please comment your suggestion for improvement. Any other thing that you would like to share with me, please do comment in the comment section. And if you liked it, then please hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.